Hi, welcome to the Crafts channel. My name's Corinne Brad and I've got a nice idea for a festive gift tag. Okay, maybe foxes aren't traditionally Christmas, but they're one of those iconic motifs that seem to go all year round. It's made very simply from layered paper. You can do it in any colour you like. You can do it in obviously traditional fox colours. You could go a bit glitz and have it in metallics and use it as a Christmas tree bauble. It's going to spin round now because the cotton's twisted. This one here I've actually done as a bookmark. So what I've done is when I've covered the back of it, I've put a score line across the back. I've put 2 pieces of magnetic, so it will sit and clip over the page of your book with his little eyes just peeking over the top of it. So, very simple to do. There'll be a template like this in the description below for you to download. And what I suggest you do is you put it onto thin card, so you've got something like this that you can draw around, these pieces like this. And then, as you would with quite a lot of the templates that I have in these demonstrations, you simply pop it on the back of your card and draw around with a pencil and cut it out. To save a bit of time, I have already drawn around it with a pencil and cut it out in shades of pink and white. So we have a white face and tail, a pink features, body and part of the tail. Glue them together, lining up the features, the edge of the ears and the sides of the cheeks with your white base piece. Line up the base of the tail so that the white piece becomes the tip. And then what I like to do, and as you can see I've done here, is I've matted these onto another piece of card. And quite simply, I haven't done your templates for the mat, but just pop your shape onto a spare piece of card. And this is a really good stash busting idea because you can use up all those little scraps of card that you've got to make a multitude of different coloured foxes. Just carefully trim around the body piece to leave about 1 or 2 millimetres border, like so. Now I've already cut my borders for the face and the tail. So I'll just glue these in place, like so. So you've then got your 3 pieces. And then I found the best way to actually get them together on your backing card is if you take the main body template and draw it onto the back of a piece of card. This piece of card matches the mats. What you want to do is you want to glue your body piece down first of all, and you try and line the top of the body up with the bottom of the ears. Then you pop your tail in, and that overlaps the body piece and comes up close to the top of this left hand ear. Just going to squeeze that in a bit so they kind of match up at the bottom. Doesn't matter if they don't quite match up at the bottom because you will see in a minute how you overcome that. Lastly, you glue the face on the top. And you pop your fox's face over both pieces. Press it down well to make sure it's all glued in place. And then just trim the background in line with the rest of the fox. What you can always do if you want a double-sided fox bauble, for example, is you can repeat the pattern in reverse and put that on the back of your fox. But the reason I've done this way is so that you've got a plain backing that you can write your message on. And also just to do that bit at the top of the head to avoid bending my fox's ears too much, I'm just going to trim that away. So there you have your fox body. And then all you need to do is you just need to add some features. I'd suggest you pencil them in first. So you have an oval for a nose. The thing that I've noticed with a lot of modern art is people tend to put the fox's eyes on the white portion. When you actually look at a fox, that's their cheek, and their eyes are actually within the coloured portion of their face. So I'm going to pop them in, and then I'm just going to add a little beginning of the lid there, and a couple of lashes. And then using a white opaque pen, I'm just going to put a couple of highlights, a couple on the nose, one on each eye, and then I'm just going to put a very light brow line. Like so. Just to give your fox's face a little bit more animation. The other thing that I've done with the metallic card, because to be honest, even with the best will in the world, trying to get pen to stick to metallic card is a bit of a nightmare. I've actually used little black buttons and a piece of black card to put the features on him. But there you go. Little foxes, all curled up, ready to brighten up your Christmas. As I say, the template will be in the description below. Please subscribe to us because we have lots more Christmas and festive ideas coming up. And we've got lots of ideas throughout the year, so it's really worth tuning in, seeing what we've got new. And if you subscribe, you'll get a notification. In the meantime, thank you for watching this demonstration. Please keep safe, and we'll see you again soon. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.